Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today I have bought the Nokia 3.1 Plus, and unfortunately I couldn't find an update that was from Oreo. So I just googled it up and I found that there was an update that the company provided for this Nokia 3.1 Plus phone. So in the software update it's not available, so it just stopped in the January security patch update. So after that update, no more updates are available. So updates just post on that way. So I just googled it up and I found the official ROM, the Android 9.0 official ROM for the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So let me show you how you can install it on your smartphone. So let's start. This is the official website where you can download that zip file. So this will be in the description below. Okay, so from here we need that file in our SD card. Just paste that file in our SD card. That's enough. And then keep the phone to charge and then power it off. So we are right now going to the stock recovery of this Android phone. So for that you need the volume up and the power button pressed simultaneously while charging the phone. Charging the phone is very important. So then you will see the recovery coming in. So it will look like this. So from here you need to there's a small bit of problem, and that's not a problem. It's just hard to understand. It's like you need the volume up button and you need the volume up button pressed while the power button is also pressed, and it would look like this: the power button pressed and then the volume up. Just a click, yeah, and we are here. So that's it. So from here you need to go to apply from SD card and select that file and click on it. Okay, the power button to select. Okay, here click there. So you're going to reach right over there. So right from there you would see this. So this is actually what it's called time lagging. So for this update to complete, you need to wait over 1 hour. So 1 hour is a very long time. So keep your phone right over the side after pressing that button, and you're okay. So when you come back, you would see an Android logo like flashing over. I mean, fading in and over. So don't get panicked. Just wait some more time, and after that, you would see this, the home screen right over there. So that's it. You just need to enter the password. So like this, and you're actually done. Android Pie is updated or installed on the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So be careful, guys. Please don't try this on any other device. And this is only for the Nokia 3.1 Plus, and not even for the Nokia 3.1. It's only for the Nokia 3.1 Plus. So bye, guys. And take your own risk on doing this. So just be careful, because even though this zip file that we just downloaded before is given by the company itself, I think so. Yeah, actually I just googled it up and found this zip, and I could found the official Android Eye inside it. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel if this worked for you. So if there are any problems, please do share it in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, yeah, you just have the right place in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.